Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I am now dealing with 7th class maths. This is congruency of triangles. In that a small part I have already discussed in the earlier class. Today we are going to talk about various congruency rules. The first one is side congruency rule. Side congruency rule means suppose you have got triangle ABC and another triangle PQR. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if AB is equal to PQ, this is the symbol that we will write for line segment children. AB is the side of triangle ABC, PQ is the side of triangle PQR. AB and PQ are the corresponding sides. So when AB is equal to PQ, AC is equal to PR, AC is equal to PR and BC is equal to QR. BC is the base here, QR is the base here. So we will say that in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if these corresponding sides are equal, then triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR basing on side property. So what is the property that you will be writing? Property is if in two triangles the corresponding sides are equal, then they are congruent. This is what you will say. This is the property. Side property children. As the name indicates, yes. Side property. Into triangles. If the corresponding sides are equal, then the two triangles are congruent. Please note it down. Next, we will go to the next property. Now, you have, before going to the property, you have an example problem, children. Example 1. Here in triangle, he is asking to prove is triangle PQR congruent to triangle XYZ. Also write the corresponding angles. The corresponding angles of the two triangles. Corresponding angles of the two triangles. So, figure is like this. You have got one figure like this. This is PQR and PQ is 2.9 centimeters. PQ is 2.9 centimeters. RQ is 6 centimeters and RP is 5.3 centimeters. And you have got another triangle here, XYZ. In this, XY is 2.9 centimeters, XZ is 5.3 centimeters and YZ is 6 centimeters. Now the question is whether these two triangles are congruent. Uh, Actually, the triangles are given in a different positions, children. This is on inverted. Actually, this is inverted to this they have given. So, what? How can we make them as congruent, or how can we guess whether they are congruent or not? In triangle PQR and triangle XYZ. See, PQ is equal to XY. PQ and XY are equal. Don't write line segment because they have given the measures. If measures are there, you are not supposed to write it. If measures are not there, you have to write the line segment symbol. And then uh, RP is equal to XZ. RP is equal to XZ. And RQ is equal to YZ. Why? Because PQ and XY is measuring 2.9 centimeters. Cube RP and XZ are measuring 5.3 centimeters, and RQ and YZ are measuring 6 centimeters. So their measurements are same. Therefore, triangle PQR is congruent to triangle XYZ basing on side property. Whenever you write this congruency symbol, what is the reason, which property they are agreeing, that we need to write it here. Apart from that, they are asking to write corresponding angles. So what are the corresponding angles? So let us say corresponding angles. Angle P and angle X is one set of corresponding angles, and say PR. PR, that is RP is equal to XZ we said. So when we are saying P, then R will be equal to Z. Angle R and angle Z are second pair of corresponding angles. And what is left behind, children? Here P we have taken, R we have taken. Only Q is left behind. And here X we have taken and Z we have taken. Only Y is left behind. So angle Q and angle Y are the corresponding angles for this problem, children. Please note it down. Now you have exercise 1. Let us do exercise 1. In this first one, describe whether SSS congruency, describe whether yes congruency is true with the following figures. Is true with the following figures. This is the question, and you have to give the reasons. If you are saying yes, why? If you are saying no, why? So let us see the first one. First one has got the diagram. Triangle ACR. This is triangle given ACR. ACR is the triangle. So here they have given one line here, two lines here, three lines here, and you have another triangle given here, and this triangle is NBE. So here also three lines, one line, two lines. So what are these lines indicate, children? Same line indications have got same measure. That is the meaning of it. If in two triangles, in given two triangles, one side is having only single line cut, in the sense those two are equal. Double, they are equal. Triple lines, they are equal. So, well, let us take the triangles. In triangle ACR and triangle BEN, in these two, CR is equal to BN. Remember one thing, children, when you are writing the sides of the triangle, you should be very careful about which triangle you have written on the left side. That triangle sides only you have to write it here. Which triangle you have written on the right side, that sides only you have to write. You should not combine them. So when we are talking about ACR triangle, we should talk about the sides of ACR only. When we are talking about BEN triangle, we are supposed to talk about BEN only. So I said that CR is equal to BN and BE is equal to AC and NE is equal to AR. So measures are not given, so line segments you have to draw. Therefore, triangle ACR is congruent to triangle BEN basing on side property. So the question is whether side congruence accepts? Yes. Give reasons. You have already given reasons. So this is the solution for the first bit, children. And for the second bit, you have got a triangle drawn in this way and another one in this way. So this is SDL and here A. The measure here is 3. This is 4. This is 4. This is 2.5. So we have got two triangles. In triangle DSL and triangle ADL, we can only say that DS means only DS we have to write. DS is equal to AL, that's all. And also we can write LD is equal to LD because this is common. DS is equal to AL because they have given measure as 4. 4 means maybe centimeters. They have not given units, so I have not written any units. But SL is not equal to AD. Why? You write but. Why? Because this is 2.5, this is 3. Therefore, what you will be saying? Triangle DSL is not congruent to triangle ADL. When you are saying this, we will say that therefore SSS property congruency is true. So SSS congruency is not true. For this, SSS congruency is not true. You can even write it here. SSS, therefore, SSS congruency is true. You can write it true here. It is not true there. These are the two sums given here, children. Please note it down. Now, we will see second problem. Second problem, for the following congruent triangles, for the following congruent triangles. That means they are saying that the triangles are congruent. Find the pairs of corresponding angles. Find the pairs of corresponding angles. So figures are given to us. So let us take the figures. First problem has got in this way. This is figure. You have got P, Q, R, S, T. And this is 1, 2, and 3 sides. These two are congruent. So, what are the congruent angles you have to write? So, triangle PQT is congruent to triangle QRS basing on side property. This is already given to us. They told that they are congruent triangles. So we need to find out the corresponding angles. So what are corresponding angles? PQT means angle P is equal to angle R. They are corresponding angles. And angle T is equal to angle S. And angle TQP is equal to angle SQR. This is the first bit, children. So these are the corresponding angles of these two triangles which are congruent to each other. And for the second figure, you have got a triangle in this way and another triangle like this. This is O P Q R S. This is 5 centimeters PQ and SR also is 5 centimeters. And this is 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters. So what is given to us? Triangle POQ is congruent to triangle ROS. Basing on side property, this is given to us. So we need to find out what are corresponding angles. What are corresponding angles for it? So the first set, angle P will be equal to angle S. And the second one, angle Q will be equal to angle R. And third one, angle POQ will be equal to angle SOR. These are the answers for second bit, children. Just copy it. Now, third problem it is. In the adjacent figure, choose the correct answer. The question is, in the adjacent figure, choose the correct answer. They have given us a figure Figure is in this way. This is P, Q, R, S. 5 centimeters, 3.5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 3.5 centimeters. Here they have given congruencies. First one is triangle PQR is congruent to triangle PQS, and second one is triangle PQR is congruent to triangle QPS, and third one is triangle PQR is congruent to triangle SQP, and fourth one is triangle PQR is congruent to triangle SPQ. So, say actually, anyway, if you call this is this triangle only. PQR is the triangle at the top, and the other one is the triangle at the bottom. But when they have given this kind of trickish question, the question is choose the correct answer. That means here he wanted you to concentrate on the way in which the triangles are taken into consideration. Triangle PQR. So triangle PQR. When it has gone to PQ, PQ is the same. But Q to R it has gone, which is 3.5. So when I say PQS, PQS when I take, this becomes 5. Here PQR it has gone to R, which is having the measure 3.5. In the first figure, PQS, where QS is 5 centimeters. So you cannot consider this as the correct solution. Second one, if you see in PQR, QP, PQ or QP is the same line, so we don't have any objection. But after that, it has gone to S, which is also 3.5. So PQR from PQ it has gone to 3.5. QPS here also it has gone to 3.5. So this is the correct answer. Next one, if you see, PQR only they are talking, and SQP you cannot consider. The remaining two also will not be same. Only the second one is true, children. The reason here is the direction in which we are talking about the sides. PQR means PQ is same. The measure is same. But when you are talking QR about QR is 3.5. But when you take the first one, PQS, QS is 5 centimeters, so the order is not matching. But when you see the second one, PQR 3.5, it is going from P to QP. So when he has talked about PQ, what is the measure of PQ? QP also will have the same measure, so it is acceptable. From P to S also the measure is 3.5 only. So it is only considered as the correct answer, children. Please note it down. Now we will see the next sum. The next sum is in the figure below. There is a figure that they have given. In the figure below, AB is equal to DC and AC is equal to DB. Is triangle ABC congruent to triangle DCB? This is the question, children. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DCB. This is the question. So how the figure is given to you? This is In this way, this is like a rectangle A, B, C, D, and you have AC and you have BD. Now the question is triangle ABC and triangle DCB. So let us write in triangle ABC and triangle DCB. So ABC is this triangle. DCB is this triangle. So we are going to talk about these two triangles. So in triangle ABC and DCB, they have given that AB is equal to DC. This is given to us. AB is equal to DC is already given to us. AC is equal to DB. This is also given to us. AC means this is equal to DB or BD. This. Now, what else we can talk? See, we are talking about this triangle and this triangle. In this, BC is equal to BC. Why? Because they are common sides. BC is the side of triangle ABC. BC is the triangle of triangle DBC. Therefore, we will say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DCB basing on side property. This is the answer, children. Please note it down. With this, I am completing today's class. Next class, I will do it in the next talk.